Hi, this is Stephane Maarek from Concuktor, and in this video, I'm going to demonstrate what it's like to use the Concuktor Playground. So what is it? Well, this is a feature we are really excited about. It is a personal Kafka cluster or a team Kafka cluster that we host for you for free, forever, with no credit card. As you can see, in my account, I have my playground and my company's playground, but you will have your own company's playground as well. So a bit of backtrack, how do we get there? You go on Conduktor.io, you click on Try for Free to get started, and then you create your account on Conduktor Cloud. As soon as you do, you will go into the homepage, you click on Admin, and then on the left-hand side, Clusters, and you arrive here. So what is Concuktor Playground? Well, Concuktor Playground is two things. Number one is your own personal cluster, and this is something you can connect to using the Kafka clients, as I will show you, and you will have your own topics and whatever you want. It is for you forever in the cloud. And the Concuktor Playground is for your team. So if you have a team name, for example, Example Corp, it will say Example Corp's Playground. And this is where you can invite your team members to collaborate with you on this playground. They will get their own account and they will be able to access the data just like you. So let's go through exploring what these playgrounds are about. So let's go into the Concuktor console right here. And as you can see, I am connected to my playground. And what I can do from here is that I can go ahead and create whatever topics I want. So as you can see, I have a test topic, but I can, of course, create another one called the demo topic. Let's create this topic and we're good to go. Now that I am in the topic, I can easily produce some data. For example, the key is going to be null and the value is going to be a JSON that I will generate once with some random data. So as you can see, we generate random strings. Okay, here we go. We have produced it. So back into my demo topic, I can go in here, look at my messages, and I will find my messages in this UI. My message is now here, and I can look at the content of it. Okay, so this is perfect. And so easy, right? But so on top of being able to use your cluster entirely using the Concuktor platform, you can also connect to it using your Java applications, your CLI tools, or any application you want. How? Well, let me show you. So back in the console, I'm going to click on Go to Concuktor Home. And on the left-hand side, I have my playground. And here is the Bootstrap URL, the username, and the password to connect to my playground from anywhere. Fairly easily, we have created for you these properties, and these properties can be used anywhere. So let's go in here. I have no files right now, but I'm going to create a file. So I'm going to do code and then admin.properties to create an admin file. And in this file, I'm just going to paste these properties. So we set up the security protocol, which is SASL SSL, the configuration with the username and the password, as well as the SASL mechanism, which is plain. Okay, so now as a sanity check, if I just look at the content, yes, it is appearing in my CLI. Okay, so that's perfect. So now let's do a Kafka topics, and we're going to list our topics. So for this, we're going to just use the Kafka topics command. And what we're going to do in here is to specify command config to be this admin.properties file we've just created, the Bootstrap server, which is the Bootstrap server you will find right here. And finally, we can issue a command, for example, --list. And as you can see, we now have the demo topic and the test topic. How awesome is that? So you have your own personal playground, we call it. Okay, and what about your team playground? Well, fairly similarly, if you go into the admin cluster for the Concuktor playground right here, you will find your team playground and you will find your username and your password in here, and you just have to swap it out in that admin.properties file. And on top of it, well, if you have an organization, you can have members and you can just invite your team members. And by inviting them, your team members, they will have their own personal playground, of course, but also they will be able to access your organization playground so you can share some data or some applications, all of that for free without a credit card. So I hope you like this demo and I hope you will use Playground for your next projects. That's it. I will see you in the next video.